The concept of attestation includes more than the audit of the financial statements. The CPA may be engaged to issue an examination, review, or agreed upon procedure report on the subject matter or an assertion about the subject matter that is the responsibility of another party. Let's look at examples of each. Reporting on subject matter. In our opinion, the schedule presents fairly in all material respects the investment returns of XYZ Company for the year ended December 31st, 20XX, based on the criteria set forth in Note 1. For reporting on an assertion, we would say, in our opinion, XYZ Company's assertion that the schedule presents the investment returns of XYZ Company for the year ended December 31st, 20XX, based on the criteria set forth in Note 1, is fairly stated in all material respects. The terminology in the attestation can at times be confusing. The responsible party is usually management. They establish the subject matter and the written assertion about the subject matter. The CPA issues a report on the subject matter or on the written assertion, or both. Let's go over the types of attestation engagements. 1. The examination provides the highest level of assurance. Attestation risk is at a low level. The review provides limited or negative assurance. Attestation risk is at a moderate level. And the agreed upon procedures, these provide a restricted use report. Prospective financial statements may be a financial forecast or a financial projection. For the financial forecast, information about the entity's expected financial position, results of operations, and cash flows is presented. For the financial projection, expected results given one or more hypothetical assumptions is presented. This is a what if. CPAs can be engaged to examine or perform agreed upon procedures for the financial projection, but not a review. For the examination of prospective financial statements, the CPA gathers evidence relating to the client's procedures for the preparation of the statements, evaluates the underlying assumptions, obtains a written representation letter from the client, evaluates whether statements are in conformity with AICPA guidelines, reports on subject matter, states whether the statements are presented in conformity with AICPA guidelines, states whether the underlying assumptions provide a reasonable basis for the statements, but does not vouch for the achievability of the forecast or prediction. There are two types of reports on compliance. 1, attesting to an entity's compliance with specified requirements of laws, regulations, rules, contracts, or grants. And 2, attesting to the effectiveness of an entity's internal control over compliance with specified requirements.